And the rope cone static. Jumps quick out the gate, followed by Prime Rate. Hari ng Yambo moving up now to take third, batting in fourth. A box around the outside, fifth now Yellowstein, then followed by Flawless. And Dear Jan going along for the first turn. Cone Static, Prime Rate na the outside, second. Hari ng Yambo is running in third, 4 lengths back now. In fourth is Whistler, down in fifth is Box, Yellowstein, Dear Jan, while Flawless is running in the tail of the field. Down the half mile they travel. Cone Static, Prime Rate, Hari ng Yambo try to get close now in third. Inside the last 600, Cone Static, Prime Rate, Hari ng Yambo is joining them now. Cone Static, Prime Rate, Hari ng Yambo na the outside. Inside the last 400, Hari ng Yambo, Prime Rate in the middle. Cone Static is running by with Cone Static, Prime Rate, Hari ng Yambo on the outside. Hari ng Yambo, Prime Rate, Cone Static. It's still Hari ng Yambo and Prime Rate now firing it out for the lead. Hari ng Yambo and Prime Rate. Hari ng Yambo by half a length. And finally is Hari ng Yambo, Prime Rate, Cone Static, Dear John, Whistler, Box, Yellowstein, and Flawless.